Sanderson, and this is my mum.
Natalie Sanderson.
And we'll be making Jaffa Slice with wild orange.
Very yummy. So Lucy's going to show us how to make this today. It's really super popular here. The first thing we need to do is actually start with making the macadamia butter. To just use macadamia nuts.
1/4 of a cup.
Yep, pop him in. So I just buy these ones from the shops, and we've got to whiz him up. It'll be a little bit noisy, so you might want to close your ears while this is going in. This is a super healthy option to have instead of chocolate because we're using all natural products. So you can see in macadamia. We had some cocoa in it before, so it's a little bit mixed up, the cocoa. So then we are going to add in, what's next, Luce? Add in.
Coconut.
Shredded coconut. In our recipe, it actually says desiccated coconut. You can pop him in. And I prefer to use the shredded because we know it's going to be shredded up pretty high in there. How much was that?
1 cup.
Excellent. And then what's next?
Dates, 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup. So ideally you use medjool dates. If you can't get them, just get the pitted dates, and then you can soak them. We soaked them for 10 minutes in hot water just to soften them up.
And next is the cocoa, 1/3 of a cup.
Excellent. And then we have
our wild orange, 15 drops.
So wild orange is great because it's the oil of joy and abundance, and it's just really uplifting and energizing, but you can use other oils as well. So like peppermint's a really good option. Sometimes what I do is when I make this, I halve it, or I double the batch and halve it. So I can make half as peppermint balls and half as a Jaffa Slice. And then we have
vanilla essence.
Yeah. So how much of that?
A teaspoon.
Yeah, excellent. Perfect. You can use that to get a little bit extra out if you like. Good. And then a little pinch of salt. We're using Himalayan pink rock salt. That's really good for you. And the last thing is just to whiz it up again. So blend them all together. This again will only take a few seconds and we'll be done.
This just came on.
Let me give you a hand. That's all blended up. So Lucy will show you, and I'll get one that we've already pre-made. So yeah, you can see it's all mixed up. And what we do from there is we just pop it into a tray, and in the tray we press it in. So my tip to you is to make sure that you really press it in hard with a spoon to get it down over the top of the baking paper. And then I've just used some almond flakes to make a little pattern on there, and also a little bit of bee pollen you can see too, which is the inside of the flowers. So super easy and very yummy, and you can keep it in the freezer and then slice it up as you like and have it as your chocolate little fix. So quite a yummy, healthy alternative, and yeah, mix it up into different ones. I mean, even fennel would be really great to add in, different flavors. Play with it, you can't go wrong. So I hope you enjoyed that and you got something useful from it. We will probably be enjoying a few slices of that soon. Yes? You like it?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you. See you later.
See you.